world where sustainability is not just a choice but a necessity, Steamax Envirocare is leading the charge in revolutionizing how we think about and use energy. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking transformation that's setting a new standard for eco-friendly industrial heating solutions. For years, industries have relied on oil and gas-fired boilers to meet their heating needs. But at what cost? Higher emissions, rising fuel costs, and a significant carbon footprint. But what if there was a better way? Introducing Steamax's innovative solution, the Oil-to-Biomass Retrofit, or OBR kit, a revolutionary product designed to convert diesel-fired systems to run on our clean, sustainable biomass blend fuel, Astillas. Today we're showcasing the transformation of an 8 lakh kilocalories per hour hot water generator and how it's paving the way towards a greener future. The conversion process begins with a thorough assessment of the existing diesel-fired system. Our team of experts meticulously adapts the OBR kit to seamlessly integrate with the hot water generator, ensuring a perfect fit. Next, we introduce Astillas, our proprietary biomass blend fuel, known for its high efficiency and low emissions. The conversion is not just about replacing diesel with biomass. It's about upgrading to a smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable energy solution. The shift to biomass is more than just an environmental choice, it's a smart business decision. With Steamax's OBR kit, industries can now easily transition from diesel to a cleaner, more sustainable biomass fuel without compromising on efficiency or performance. Are you ready to be part of the energy revolution? Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about how you can make the switch to a greener, cleaner future. Steamax Envirocare, powering the future sustainably.